Hi Ahmed, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you very much. I am Musa from ASM, Process Automation. We are the Profi International Organization branch of the Middle East. We do support for Profibus and Profinet. We provide access to technical documentation, deliver events, develop certified competence and training centers, and we have our own support network audits related to Profibus and Profinet. If we don't have a PG socket at the back of our connector in each segment, then we cannot plug in our analysis tools.
When you say each segment, you mean at the PLC or, for example, at each repeater?
We can see here our kit. This is our PLC. This is the Vago, Saya, Vipa, and Phoenix contact. This is our ProfiTrace. Now we see all the slaves that are in our network. So we see here the master at the address 2.
Send a request.
Yes. I think now you can you have control.
Oh, yeah, I have control.
All right, so I want you to go to the ProfiTrace live list. So I'm gonna take out the Saya and I'm gonna switch it out of the network. Then you take a look back to the screen.
Okay.
You have control already, and you see that the Saya at the address 39 is lost.
Yeah.
So now I'll put back the termination in the network, and you can see what will happen directly. I'll just do it while you see it.